the caller.
What's up?
Hello?
Wagwan.
I'm Blacker.
Me there, man. You don't know today my birthday. We just turn it up loud. Where you calling from?
No.
Where you calling from?
Whatever.
Big up all the whole Alabama massive, you know. Lock in, you know.
Glades family, big up to you know.
So big up who you want, big up
birthday.
baby.
Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man. You don't know, man.
Coming from Aisha.
No say nothing to Aisha. You're lucky in Aisha. I'm if I tell you, you know. Big up yourself, you know.
You're not a friend of big up to Aisha?
Yeah.
She have a friend named Sansia.
You don't know, big up Sunset, Nicky, Sean, and big up my husband, Dylan Graham.
Yes, cause some girl can't marry the Talk on the things, my friend.
Man, big up yourself.
All right, no say nothing, man. You
Cool.
don't know. Don't know, me telling the people, today my birthday turn up. Hey, Wagwan and Edgewater, the fish them ready, can enter we done, you know. The whole of we are going Edgewater and go whole of vibes, you know. And when we left Edgewater in night, we go Jungle Fire, behind Ken's turn up loud. Super T, drop the tune then, mad thing.
No, sir. Keep it locked, you don't know a Link TV 394. A Brian Nat. Yo, me say them one know you treble and them one know you bass. Them pass through your place. Steer up in your face, them fast, you know. Oh, them people are so fast. Them fast. 10,000 times them pass. You wonder what the hell them last. I tell you them fast, you know. I mean, if I tell you how them fast. Keep it locked on Link TV. Never move. You don't know.
Well, people, when you don't know, you know, I'm here live on channel 394 Links TV or Oliver 45. You don't know, people. Right now, no. I'm me for telling you, you know, my birthday, yo, me feel nice, Jano. Me feel nice. Me give thanks to God, you know. Me a one artist, so me no worry myself about nothing. No one say them run the place. I don't care. Me just want to live good, and I live good in the sight of God. And God a bless me same way. And that me glad for. Saying, people no want to say, me a go to look a performance, you know. Because you don't know, you know. Me have to do my look a performance, and I'm going to enjoy myself in the car today. My dear. So guess what? Me I'm going to top 20 video countdown now, because you know, me pump off 4 video, because the people, them, the woman, the girls, them want see them video. So the number 20 video, new entry, no, seen by Maggie, you don't know the Christian youth there. Yo, so I know Christian people are watch my channel, give thanks and praise, because them vote for the one there. The number 19 video was number 1 for about 4 weeks or so. It's all about Baby Sham. Turn up. The number 18 video is all about OG Stunner, the handbag. And number 17 video, Macadam and the thing name. Are they so nice? All right, watch them video. I'm soon come.
The mountain peak. Are they so nice? Are they so nice? Are they so nice? Are they so?
No, sir. She too mock her. She said, that's so nice. People, me still going to count down. The number 16 video, no, the people that vote for the one that hard. Splendid. With that thing called amazing. No, sir, the video there. The number 15 video, Summer Slapway, RDX. No, the one that with Lisa Hype with something there. No, sir. The number 14 video, Farmer number 1 for 3 weeks. It's all about me, Blacker, featuring Baby Dollar thing named 2 Man. And the number 13 video is all about cooking cartel. They don't know. Food cartel. And people who don't remember, say, next week, Saturday, all the road leader Sherlock, the biggest state show, Blacker, Baby Sham, Food Cartel. You don't know Conscience, Tommy Lee, Zane, Mad next week, Saturday. You don't know. Turn up loud. Pretty girl in the place. So I go on and if I tell you. Remember, say Monday, all the road lead to Alfred Cheese Square, the biggest state show to turn up loud. We can go on them 4 video, the Blacker, top 20 video countdown. Me soon come. Jamaica Day. Boom.
See a girl. Cho. Night. All him come in back in the fight and say, one more bite. Give me just one more bite. So well you know cargo in my bank.
You don't know people. No, sir. Food Cartel. Hey, next week, Saturday, I'm telling you again, you know, Sherlock turn up loud. August the 12th. Biggest stage show in a Sherlock. Blacker will be there live. And you know, so me I carry my top 20 countdown go shoot from there. Yeah, wow. And we said, right now, big up everybody, you know, Christine, Lucky, you know, the whole, yeah, it's a rare town to play with them, you know. Mummy, everybody Lucky, you know. People tonight, me don't tell you, know, Jungle Fire turn up loud. Behind a Kens in a Portmore Blacker birthday party, turn up. Big up Maca Diamond, Cape Rich. You don't know the whole works all over there. The sound man, them there. You don't know Super Tia come lock it off. People, the number. Well, hold on, let me reach out when I got. Sure, it does me tell you, you know, that when I drink, you have to know what you do, you know, I don't junk, me just feel nice. Anyway, it's all about the number 12 video. It's all about Spice, you don't know, featuring, you know, specialists, you know, at number 12. The number 11 video, we are Clarendon, where you deal with Iceberg, a thing called Bad Mind. Drop them 2 video there. Then we're going to go to commercial break. You don't know, me soon come. Yeah, black hair.
Honey girl, them specialist.
Come on, that's see what him look like.
See me, I telling you, man. Remember, you know, I made it telling about the bad mind thing, you know. One thing me tell you again, I'm going to always say it. If Jamaica export the wrong thing, if Jamaica want rich, export bad mind. The amount of bad mind people were there about, but who God bless bad mind people, always remember that. No man curse. Anyway, we'll just go for a quick commercial break. And we'll come right back with that thing named Hot Spot to the artist store them, the artist barber shop. Anyway, you want Blacker to come. Video in top 20 video countdown. You don't know the number. The CM4141044. All of my callers, them is gonna put the call them on hold. When time we go to Hot Spot and come back, we make a call them and we talk. Cause what? Super Tina the OCM here. All of my technicians are here. So what? Blacker top 20 video countdown. Me soon come. Commercial break. Me soon be back. Mad. Hey! Welcome back, people. You don't know us right now. We have a thing named Hot Spot where at the hottest place them in Jamaica right now, we have to close them. See? So if you're not here, your store advertising from Blacker Hot Spot, that means your store now go on with nothing. Or your barber shop now go on with nothing. Nothing what you do now go on with nothing. Because it's all about Blacker top 20 video count now with them Hot Spot your thing. Paper, Edgewater paper, I soon tweet, now worry yourself. Edgewater turn up loud in the day. Yeah. After I come off from my program, I straight to the fish fry with Edding. Yeah, and all the people them is a $700 for one fish. Big fish and eat and enjoy yourself. Drink liquor music a play. In the night, Jungle Fire turn up loud and people remember say Jungle Fire has the best jerk chicken and jerk pork and that thing named jerk rabbit. So every Friday, Jungle Fire from Monday to Sunday. You go at Jungle Fire, get everything. Right behind a Ken's Wildflower. Yeah, fire in Portmore. Jungle Fire. This I carry the swing. So watch out. Me I go to a thing named Hot Spot. Watch a Hot Spot here. Me so come back. Mad. Hot Spot. Sure. People, me don't tell you so when we are do road. Blacker top 20 video countdown. Big up Rum Fire karaoke every Saturday at Portmore Mall from 5 to 10 p.m. Right now we have Portmore Fashion and Variety Store. People, me tell you about Portmore Fashion and Variety Store. In your so close. Everything where you want right now, it's all about what? Big Buy Plaza. Yeah, and a downstairs where they know, you know. Big Buy Plaza downstairs, our Portmore Fashion and Variety Store. Right now we are going there, I couldn't know where we are going. Now we are going to talk to the boss, I couldn't know where we are going. Got a store here. Pretty in your turn up. Follow me. So come.
Your love is my love. Baby, I love you. I need you here with me all the time. Baby, we meant to be. You got me smiling all the time. 'Cause you know how to give me that. You know how to pull me back when I go running, trying to get away from loving ya. You know how to love me hard. I won't lie, I'm falling hard. Yep, I'm falling for you, but there's nothing wrong with that. You don't want love all day. You don't
right now, you know, I'm there with one of the workers them, you know, in a Portmore fashion and variety store. Well, she's supposed to know the style, them, you know, cause she's a style and I see it's a fashion. So more I tell the people them right now, why they must come in this store, here, cause them have half price of a go, you know. So tell them about the half price thing.
Well, for this summer we have a promotion going on. So just come and shop and you get all discounts you need. Always tight, okay, and we have prizes and prizes and giveaways.
Alright, the seed price and price and giveaways. Okay. And I tell the colours them, you know, green to yellow. It's very colorful them people. So right now, we are going to the top 20 video count down the road show. So tell them what's the number 3 video. Want some bargain. Alright people, some tying up go on there so. Zane, so you don't know, you don't know. Come like something there fade out and something that come in. But you don't know computer thing already. Me understand, I don't feel nice when I see the hotspot are going ready, you know. But now on yourself. I say, the store there right now, you don't know, over Big Buy Plaza, right over Portmore, you know, Portmore Fashion and Variety Store downstairs, you don't know. So you don't want to reclose them, go check it out, people. And they say there over Big Buy Plaza, right when you come out of Portmore, yeah, we take the bus, it's a little bridge, and it's the Big Buy Plaza, right, they say they're downstairs. See in Portmore Fashion and Variety Store. So you can get anything there. So right now, people, what is going on next? Hotspot in the car. I saw it going on, you don't know, you know. Black Earth Top 20 video countdown now. Today I'm a birthday, you know, people. Everything good, you know, people. It's nice, you know. And Shelly and Fraser, them, I can run and win the race, you know. And I we say Queen Ella, you know. Yeah. So watch out now, people. We are going to the hotspot now. It's all about the next hotspot. Check out the one here. Man, in Portmore Mall, the one of that. Fashion icon. Boom. People, you know me there? The fashion icon wear shop 9D Portmore Mall. Right in the said black people when they come to the Western Union. Yeah, come collect on the money. Right, it's up on Portmore Mall. The fashion icon wear shop 9D Portmore Mall. So watch out. They are going to fashion icon wear. Go see what them have and the girls them dead and the people them they come a BS style. Boom.
Young Moolah, baby.
Y'all ready?
Right now, people, I'm here with one of the workers, and she name is Aisha, looking very beautiful. She's going to tell us why the people them has to come to Fashion Icon, Black D, Shop 9, the Portmore Mall, right when you're going to the Western Union. Well, right now, Aisha, I want you to just go to tell the people them all about what's going on in Fashion Icon.
Well, as you notice, with Fashion Icon, we got the best clothes, the best shoes. You have the belts, jewels over here. You can take a look at the nice jewels, the bag, the banger. You have lingerie, you know that when you have your money, you can turn it up. These bags, you don't see brand already, a straight brand. We don't deal with knockoff, a straight brand. You hear that? Take it to the clothes. You have nice sexy dress. Look at it. Yeah. Down to the man them can bring them woman here so and do the shop more. And me said a store turn up Fashion Icon straight. And yes, I me shop them too, you know, you don't know the thing go. See? Just take a good look. And they just anything you want, any style, down to the fat people, the slim people, the mini size, anytime. I just see us so straight.
Young Moolah, baby.
Y'all ready?
Well, look at this dress. These are the nice, wonderful dresses you see right here. Well, you don't know, so you can go wedding. You have the balls, unique stuff. You understand? Fashionable, straight. You dress them sell out. Ladies, I guess I would say come buy your dress them for anywhere you go. Don't about weddings, you have the ball, anything. It turn up. Boat ride, well, shot. Don't know so we say clothes and how we say fitness. You see it?
And I admit that I thought about creeping, so you could get a dose of how I feel. Cause our hearts can never seem to break even. But what's the use? I'd rather pack it up and leave.
See, from the back to the side to the front. Come on. Ladies, I guess I would say fashion straight, turn up. So just come out and buy the stuff there. I don't know, so it's summertime. It's cute. With a nice heels. As I'm say, you can go dinner, look a ball, and look a party uptown at the club there, I see it. You can take a good look up there, so too. You have nice dress up there, nice jeans pants here. But fat people, small, young, no matter. Clothes there can fit. You see, any size, turn up.
Enough but no love.
People, guess what? In a fashion icon, 1,500 for the jeans, them $1,500, $1,500. Pretty look good jeans. Look here, $1,500. Come on, people, come on. You need to come right here. Fashion icon, shop number 9, Block D. You need to come.
Sell off, tell them.
Yes, sell off. And right now, them have a 50% off. For the know, they look at Jamaica, 50 years, we are strong and all these things. So just come down.
You hear what she say? For the 50th anniversary of Jamaica, Fashion Icon is going to give you a 50% off selected item. Remember the word, selected items. Yeah. You don't know any paper. No, sir. No, sir. Fashion Icon. Inside Black D. Shop 9, Portmore Mall. Yo, them clothes for the ladies, them turn up loud. Aisha, you don't know. She nice store and tell me where I go on. Tell know the thing turn up, me nah lie. People, you don't know, you know. As me say, my birthday turn up. Loud. Big up the Ras. Call me from Edgewater, say Black Rat, be a foreigner rolling. No, sir. Foreigner them loving them here about fish fry, you know. Ramp with the fire, them, you know. Them lacking up. Right now, you know, we are going to the top 20 video countdown, see me, you know. We are going to the top 10 right now, you know. The number 10 is Lady G featuring Luton Fire. I think called this love. No, the rest them gone passion me, I'm telling you, you know. You have a thing named Party, Keep Rich and Flex. The number 8 video, Pack Up Your Things and Go On, My Girl, Israel. Yo, that I go hard. The number 7 video, no, everybody have vote for the video, yeah. Them say Gaza. The man say Gaza, man, it's crazy. Tommy Lee. People, check in them video there. And ladies no can call 414-1044. Big me up, see me on my birthday. Let them go. Shot them. We soon come. Mad.
Hey, red, gold, and green. Oh, black woman, you want me queen, hey.
Oh, yeah.
And laugh them cool, no, off. Them have some people, you know, I hear them off. Cut the long story short. Link up a Portmore when it touch talk. The thugs them no left them venom and dart. The scene look pretty but it turn up well hard. You're not even the talk.
Yeah. Welcome back, people. No, sir. Tommy Lee. Shell. No, the girls them a vote for that video they add and the thugs them like it. No, the video they know. Me not have to ask, you know. Read it. I got number 1, you know. Me I tell you. People, it's all about the number 6 video. Ross O'Neilly. A thing called Cry, the number 5 video. Conscience, I saw me tan. The number 4 video, no, the one they are going to add. Jump by RDX. And the number 3 video, Pinky Famous, a thing called Education. Taking them 4 video, they will soon come back. Mad.
La 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 la.